Hey guys, here at Wont Productions, wondering if you could help me out on some problem fixes. My 3DS will not turn on. It will turn on. Let me turn up the volume for you. It will turn on. It will not pop. It won't make a popping sound. It will be in hibernate mode, which is when the 3DS is closed. So it thinks the 3DS must be closed. You can see it getting darker and brighter. And if I do this, it doesn't turn it off. It makes it always bright. Or no, it doesn't. Let me check here. Try here. It will be bright. Then it will turn off. There. And there's nobody in the room. And it just turns off. It can't turn it back on. So, if you could help me out with that. If you could help me out with that, that'd be pretty cool. Bye.